WhatsApp's going ad-supported, but your chats stay ad-free. New tools for advertisers are shaking things up. Want the details? Let's dive in. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech news hotspot. Today we're unpacking WhatsApp's new paid advertising features. WhatsApp, with its 2 billion monthly users, has been mostly ad-free until now. Meta's rolling out paid advertising tools in the Updates tab, including channel subscriptions, promoted channels, and status ads. Don't worry, personal chats and calls stay untouched. Here's the breakdown. Paid channel subscriptions let you support creators for exclusive updates. Promoted channels boost visibility in the discovery directory. And status ads, like Instagram stories, let businesses pitch products you can message directly. All of this lives in the Updates tab. Meta's Nicholas Srinivasan says ads use minimal data, like your city, language, or updates tabbed activity. Your calls, messages, and groups totally off limits and end-to-end encrypted. WhatsApp also swears it'll never share your phone number with advertisers. With 2 billion users, WhatsApp's a goldmine for Meta's ad revenue push. These features target businesses and creators, leaving personal chats alone. X users are mixed. Some love the monetization. Others want an ad-free option. You can disable the Updates tab to skip ads entirely. These features will roll out gradually over the coming months, with availability varying by country. As Meta taps into WhatsApp's massive user base, expect more ways for businesses to connect. Will this change how you use WhatsApp? Let's talk. Will you use WhatsApp's new ad features or disable the Updates tab? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech scoops.